Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete a Paycom account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To delete your Paycom account, you'll need to coordinate with your employee's human resource department, as individual users do not have the ability to delete their accounts directly. So in order to request account deletion, what you need to do first is contact your HR department. Reach out to your employer's HR team to request the deletion of your account, then submit a formal request. Provide your full name, employee ID if applicable, and the reason for your request. Then confirm identity. Be prepared to verify your identity to ensure the current account is being processed. Then await confirmation. Once your request is processed, HR will confirm the deletion of your account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.